Hey team, woo, just finished this job. Actually we just finished it a while ago, but we've only just come back, so I tell a lie, but this is a custom slat job. The customer was after something a specific look. It actually is a 90mm slat that has a 70mm gap, so you probably haven't seen anything like this, but if you're wanting more airflow or you're wanting to make it look more, it actually looks more like a timber slat, but it's not, it's aluminium. It's black aluminium, and we've done this gate and we've done this fence. Goes round to that corner, drops down into a 1 metre high fence. But you can see it's got these custom post extensions, got these little caps on top. These little aluminium caps. That's all aluminium, that's aluminium. And we've had to make some special little spaces just to make this work. This is what it looks like from the front. So what we do with this one is we get the slat gets powder coated in 6.5 metre lengths or 6 metre lengths, and then the whole thing has to be assembled on site. So it's a little bit more than just like a kit set where a lot of slat panels come. They're already set up as a panel, and then you just put them between the posts. This one you actually needed to get a laser level out and shoot the heights and actually make it perfectly level, because you start at the bottom and you build it all the way to the top, and you don't want to get to the top and it's all out, so you have to make sure that you've got it all worked out properly. But looks really, really smart. I think the reason for this is if you want more airflow or you just don't want to box in your front yard, you can do something like this. I think it's about 1400 high, so if you're looking for a custom slat, we can do whatever you want. We can customize it. We can also do pre-made slat panels, but this one's 90, so not a lot of people are doing the 90. We can source the 90mm and put the 90mm slat in, and also we've got this matching gate, which is you can see the perfect height for this gap. That post there was flange posts on. You can see there's like a flange goes down. Yeah, so if you're interested in slat fencing, just hit us up at strongfencing.co.nz. Have a great day.